I can keep a peanut butter skin, baby. You like me, I like.
Hi guys, today we're going to show you how does the transmitter and the receiver works.
Because it's really helped us a lot in our daily work, and I think it's really convenient. So we're going to show you how it works and why is it so practical and convenient.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, now Abli is actually working outside and I'm gonna connect with her using this FM transmitter. And look, the mic volume is high enough. Okay. Hey Abli, can you bring me my notebook?
Hi Selena, this is your notebook.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yay. Okay, that's how we use the transmitter and the receiver during our life, and it's really helpful and convenient and practical. And here's are some tips for you. First, you can press and hold this button to turn on or turn off the transmitter. And when you press one time on this button and the mic icon start flashing, you can reduce or raise the volume as you want. And when you press the button and the line icon will start to flash. Yeah, like that.
So from this little panel, you can see that there are several icons. And from the right to left, there's battery status and stereo status. And also this one is the broadcasting power. And when you press this button, the icon of volume starts flashing. So you can press this one or this one to change the volume. Yeah. So when you turn off the transmitter, you can also use this receiver as a broadcast. So like this. Did you hear the voice?
And that's all for today. So if you enjoy our video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel. See you next time.